Look, gee. We keep having the same fruits. It's every day. For our picnics. We want something. But that's our best traditions. Not like this. Not everyone doesn't like fruit. Well, we don't mind, do we? Anyone some grapes? No. We want something that's good. Something right now, it's a hot summer's day, and we need something that is perfect. I don't know what are we gonna do. This is so humiliating. If we don't get our ice cream, we'll never get it. You know an ice cream truck should come? Why? Oh! Like that! Ice cream! That can't be! Come on, guys! We better get the ice cream!